Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Uconnect system. First, check your current software version directly on your vehicle's display. This helps ensure you download the correct update for your specific model. Next, visit the official Uconnect website, usually found by searching Uconnect Update for your vehicle. Locate and download the appropriate update file. Make sure to save it to a USB drive, which we'll prepare in the next step. Before proceeding, ensure your USB drive is formatted to FAT32. This is crucial for the Uconnect system to recognize the update file. Once your USB is ready with the update, head to your vehicle. It's important that your vehicle's engine is running throughout the entire update process to prevent power interruptions. Also, turn off any non-essential accessories like the radio or climate control to minimize system load. Now, insert the USB drive containing the update file into one of your vehicle's USB ports. The Uconnect system should automatically detect the update and display prompts on the screen. Carefully follow these instructions, confirming each step as requested. It is absolutely critical that you do not remove the USB drive or turn off the vehicle during the installation process, as this could corrupt the system. Once the update is complete, the system will usually restart. Confirm the new software version on your screen to ensure the update was successful. If you encounter any minor issues or glitches after the update, a soft reset of your Uconnect system can often resolve them. This process is usually detailed in your owner's manual. And speaking of making things easier, if you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're on the go or just planning ahead. Don't miss out on those helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.